In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Expedia discount code. As you embark on planning your next trip, why not add a little bit of savings to your journey? Expedia offers a variety of discount codes that can make your travel experience a bit more affordable. Let's explore how you can find and use these savings effectively. First things first, you'll need to find a valid coupon code. One of the easiest ways to do this is by heading to Expedia's official coupons page. This page is your go-to resource for all the current offers that Expedia has made available. When you land on this page, you'll usually find a list of deals that can range from percentage discounts on certain types of travel bookings to specific dollar amounts off. Do take some time to browse through these deals and carefully read the details, as some offers might be applicable only for specific destinations or types of accommodations. Also, make note of the expiration dates, ensuring that you only consider coupons that are currently active. There's another way you might get your hands on some exclusive discounts, and this is by subscribing to Expedia's email list. If you're not already a subscriber, it's worth considering signing up. Subscribers often receive exclusive codes directly in their inbox, along with notifications about upcoming promotions and travel tips. These exclusive codes are a great way to access additional savings that might not be available publicly. Check your email regularly for these deals, as they can be time-sensitive. Once you have a valid coupon code, you're ready for the next step, using it to book your travel. After selecting your desired travel options on Expedia's website, proceed to the checkout page. Here, you'll see a field labeled something like "Enter a coupon" or "Promotion code." Carefully type or paste your coupon code into this box. Double-check that you've entered it correctly to avoid any errors. After you've entered the code, click on the Apply button. If the code is valid and applicable to your booking, you'll see the discount amount reflected in your order summary. You should see a reduced total price, indicating that the coupon code has successfully been applied to your travel purchase. In the event the code doesn't work, revisit the terms and conditions of your code to confirm that it applies to your specific booking. Maybe your booking doesn't meet certain stipulations, like a minimum spend amount or certain travel dates, so always ensure you understand exactly what the offer entails. And there you have it, your itinerary at a reduced cost, thanks to some savvy code application. By taking time to find and use Expedia discount codes, you can make traveling more budget-friendly. Happy travels, and remember, small savings here and there can add up, helping you explore more without breaking the bank.